So today's issue is we are getting a lot of reverb off of this metal roof, concrete walls, and we've got glass on the back wall in here. This venue's not really made for live shows specifically, so I'm hoping it'll clear up. I've carved out a lot of frequencies. I feel like too much, and I keep changing the EQ and not getting the result that I want. We're actually a little bit behind, still getting some lights up, and I've done a virtual sound check, but I haven't actually heard anything from the band yet, so everybody's rolling in. The venue's getting set up. Tell us what you're doing, Ish.
Right now we are focusing the Licos on our lovely performers.
Speak English. It's a Lico. He's making those words up. He makes words up like Lico. It just means light, but he's trying to sound fancy.
I was impressed. So we finished the first show about an hour and a half ago. Not so happy with the room, had some problems with some frequencies. I just re-EQ'd the whole room, ran a virtual sound check, and I think I sorted a few things out. So we are 20 minutes away from showtime. Everybody's in the room almost. The last people getting seated. And we re-sound checked this morning, did a new line check, and it's gonna be a better day.
I said to you before, everyone's got a story, everyone's got a gift. And this girl goes, I think I know what my gift is. I'm like, what is it? She goes, I love to sing and write music. This girl is so talented. We came back a month later, we surprised her. We set up a portable studio right there in lockdown. We recorded her song, produced it, made it sound beautiful. This girl turned her life around. May 9th, she turned 18, was released. She asked if she could stay and teach and help mentor the younger girls that were still inside. We were so inspired by her, and we've done some shows with her together. We asked her to come out to Red Deer with us. And please give a warm welcome to the girl I'm now describing. This is Maya Willis, everybody. Tell me why did we come down here? Can I get an explanation? Tell me why did we come around here? Waiting for revelation.
So Rob, I've been fighting with engagement and clarity the first day. I think it's pretty good now.
Through the concerts, as you've told your audience, you know, we're dealing with the issues young people deal with, suicide, addiction, and all that stuff. And, you know, every word, like you can see they're hanging on these words of what we're speaking. And I try to take it really seriously. Every one of these shows, I consider like this is life or death for somebody in that audience. This is more than just a performance.
Why are we here?
Guys, we've now had 869 students and handed us their suicide notes after these shows.
In those last 3 days of shows, we've had 6 students have actually given us suicide notes after these shows. And so like
I'm smiling, but that's because that's an accomplishment. It's rough, but
yeah, that's 6 students that were sitting in our concerts with suicide notes in their pockets that said, here, I don't need this anymore. We were able to get them the help, and it's like just showing the importance of what these performances are and how crucial it is to make sure that they're engaged in every word, every sound, and why we use the lights and the sound. Everything is so crucial to make sure this message gets across, because it literally could be life or death for somebody in that audience.
that's all I needed to hear. That's why we do it.
Love it.